Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I will show you a new pattern tutorial, and this is a really cute star pattern. We're using puff stitches here. It's honestly pretty simple. It's a nice and easy hack how to do this, and how they're nice and tied together, so it looks really nice like a star. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and also obviously the wool. Have fun! Alright, so let's get started here with the rivet and yarn. It's a wool that I bought a few months ago at Action. It has this nice color fade. It's nice and twisted, so it's white and another color. And the other color kind of changes throughout the pattern. Throughout the ball. So we have blues, pinks, oranges, purple, and it's a nice and slow fade here. I'm going to crochet this with my size 6 crocheting hook. The wool is meant for size 5 crocheting hooks, but I like using my size 6. 60% acrylic, 40% polyester, 150 grams and 240 meters long. And this is what it's supposed to look like when it's knitted. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start here with one single chain stitch. Alright, so that's done. Then I'm gonna pull the thread up to create this kind of loop. And then I will go back into that stitch and I'll pull the thread through. And then I will pull it back to that same length. And then we do this again. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. And then I'm going to put my finger on this. It's kind of between the loops on my hook and the thread I'm working with. And then I will pull the loop or the thread through. And then I will go in where my finger was at, where I was keeping the distance. And pull it through and pull it tight. Okay, with that we're kind of getting a really tight stitch on top. And then it's all on. Okay, then again we do the same kind of situation. We go into that single stitch on top. At the beginning this might be a little difficult, but it only takes a little bit and you will get used to it. I'm gonna pull some more wool here. Wrap the thread around the hook and then go in and pull through, and now we have 5 on the hook. Kind of pull it up. Then again the finger, and we pull the thread through and then go into that loop that we just created and pull it through again. Then again pull it big, don't put your finger there yet. Again pull the thread through. Now we have 3 and one more time, so we have 5 on the hook. Put your finger in between. Pull it tight and then pull it through. Alright, we did that 3 times now, we'll do it again. Make it big. Go in it, like I just said, sometimes it's a little difficult at the beginning. 3, 5. Okay, put your finger in. Pull it through, make it really nice and tight, and all the way through. Alright, so we have that here with, we did that now 4 times. Then we again do the same thing again. 3, 5. Alright. Now we're gonna do something different. We're going to go backwards. Okay, so I'm going to take a loop, and instead of going what we're doing before, I'm going to go right here. So not back there, but going backwards, right? And now I'm going in between these 2 puffs. I will pull the thread through. And I have 2 additional and 1 more. Now we have 2 additional again. and we'll do it once more. And so then we have an additional 6 on our hook. So don't be surprised how many things you're going to have on your hook. That's exactly how it should be. And then here at the next spot, we will do this again. And yeah, this should be a little easier now because we already used this, this area. All right, so we have 5 from the height, then 6, and then another 6 again. So it's a total of 17 loops that we have on the hook here. Okay, 2 times 6 plus 5. And then here again, I will put my finger down, pull the thread through. That's easiest if you kind of like face the hook part of the hook actually downwards. And then here we go all the way through and leave it down there. Okay, and then because of this all gets really nice and tight. And we get a nice like small center of the star. Okay, then we pull the thread big again. We go back into the center and do the next ones. Here we have 5 on the hook now. Then we will go into the last stitch where we were just at. Pull it big. 2. Wrap around again 4. Again 6. Pull some more wool. Here we have 5 plus 6, 11 already on the hook. And now we will add another 6 into the next spot. So we always add another stitch here that we add to to what we're doing right now. And make sure you don't forget your finger. Pull it through, pull it tight, and put it on top. As you can see here, in the first star that we made here, we currently have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here it's 3 currently. And we continue. So again, pull it big, loop around, and then go in, pull it up. And again, we're at 5. And then again, go into the next spot. And now you can actually already see the color fade happening. That looks really nice. And here we are into the very first stitch now that we crocheted. All right, that worked well. Here we have 2. Wrap around 4. Wrap around 6. Take some wool. Put your finger down. And something is wrong here. I'm actually going to take this out again. And that sometimes happens. Something, got stuck somewhere. I'm going to do this one again. So 5. And then another 6. Yeah. And here another 6. And now it's actually good. That worked. And then we close this off again. So you can see here always this structure of 4. And then here on the outside we have the 3. Then I'm gonna again make it big, turn it all around, and then I will add 1 for height. And then for the next row we start again. We put the finger and continue. All right, and then we get started again. That out. This is where we get started. Here 3, here 5, and then we go into this one. 4, 6, and then this one 2, 4, 6. My hook is again very full. And then here again, put the finger down all the way through, nice and tight, and then inwards. And then we have our new 3 structure of 3. And this is our first star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peaks or points. Then pull it big again and continue. 5, 2, 4, 6. Here as well. 2, 4, 6. Take some more wool here. And all the way through. Okay. And then here we have our 6-pointed star done. You can see here the first 3 or 4 actually that I made in the row before, and then these 2, the darker ones that are from this row. And then here's where we're making the next one. We'll start here again with 5, then again down below 4, 6, and then we're outside here 2, 4, and 6. Okay, take a little bit more wool. The hook again is really full. Okay. And with that, we also have the second 6-pointed star done. And as you can see, it's like really nice and voluminous. It's really nice and cozy. I'm going to continue crocheting this for a few more rows, and then I'll give you an update, and I'll show you also what it looks like in the color fade. And so I'm going to start, or continue rather, here with the next row. And yeah, I'm going to make one of these puff stitches for height, and then I will continue with the structure of 3s. All right, and here we are. And as you can see, the pattern has progressed a little more. You can see I'm now in like this turquoise section. So I have this structure of 6 always with the stars. We have 2 of them coming from the sides and 2 from the bottom and 2 from the top. At the corners here we always have the ones with only the 5, and then the ones on the left we have the structure of 3. And yeah, it's just a really, really nice pattern. It looks so different, I think, than most other knitted patterns. Obviously, I hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!